Today I'm going to show you how to create a feather flag banner design in Photoshop CC using a mock-up, step by step, so you can quickly turn a flat banner artwork into a realistic outdoor display. This is a super useful technique if you design for events, promotions, storefronts, sports teams, or advertising, and you want your work to look polished and professional before sending it to print or showing it to a client. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop design tutorials. And let's jump right in. First, open your feather flag mockup PSD file in Photoshop. Once it loads, take a moment to look at the Layers panel on the right side. Mockups are usually organized into folders, and in this case you want to identify the main flag fabric layer, the background layer, and any shadow or texture layers that create the realistic effect. Understanding the layer structure before you start makes the process much smoother and helps you avoid placing artwork in the wrong spot. Now, find the main flag shape layer in the Layers panel. This layer is important because it defines the exact silhouette of the feather flag. To lock your artwork into that shape, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click directly on the layer thumbnail. This creates a selection around the flag using the shape itself, often shown as marching ants around the edges. This selection is what helps keep your design inside the fabric borders so it doesn't bleed outside the mockup. Next, it's time to place your artwork. Go up to the top menu and choose File, then Place Embedded, select the flat banner design you want to use from your computer and import it into the document. Photoshop will bring it in as a new layer, which makes it easy to resize non-destructively. Once the artwork appears, press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to enter free transform mode. Use the corner handles to scale the design up until it completely covers the flag area. Make sure it fills the full banner space so there are no empty edges showing. When it looks right, press Enter to confirm the transform. At this stage, your design is in place, but we still need to make sure it conforms properly to the flag shape. In the Layers panel, check that your new artwork layer is stacked directly above the flag shape layer. Then right-click on the artwork layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. The design will instantly snap to the shape below it, which is exactly what you want for a professional mockup. This is one of the fastest ways to make sure your graphic follows the custom curved boundaries of the feather flag silhouette. Sometimes, even with the clipping mask, you may notice a few pixels or rough edges extending outside the mockup area. If that happens, click the artwork layer and then choose the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This gives you more control over the visible areas. Now select the Brush tool by pressing B, set your foreground color to black, and use a soft brush to gently paint over any overflow or unwanted edge areas. Black on a layer mask hides parts of the layer, so this is a clean way to refine the edges without deleting anything permanently. Now comes the part that really makes the design look realistic, blending in the fabric folds and texture. Look for the shadow or texture layer inside the original mockup folder. This layer is often what gives the banner its sense of depth and movement. Drag that layer all the way to the top of your layer stack, directly above your artwork, so it sits on top of the design. Then change the blend mode from normal to multiply or overlay, depending on which gives the better effect. Multiply is great for darker fold details, while overlay can add more contrast and punch. After that, lower the opacity to somewhere between 20 and 50% until the highlights and fabric creases show through naturally. The goal is to make the banner look like it is physically printed on waving cloth, not just pasted into a flat scene. Once you've done that, zoom out and review the full composition. Check the alignment, the shape, the texture, and the realism of the folds. If needed, go back and fine-tune the size of the artwork, adjust the mask, or lower the opacity of the shadow layer a little more. Small adjustments make a big difference when you want a mockup to feel believable and polished. And that's it. You've now created a feather flag banner design in Photoshop CC using a mockup, clipping masks, masking cleanup, and realistic fabric blending. This is a simple workflow, but it produces professional results that are perfect for presentations, portfolio pieces, client previews, and print production visuals. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.